If there is one vehicle that quietly built the backbone of delivery services, trades, and everyday utility across Europe and beyond, it's the 1975 Ford Transit van. In its classic white color with a matching white interior, this van represents pure functionality wrapped in timeless simplicity. It's not flashy, it's not aggressive, but it is one of the most important workhorses ever built. Today, we're going to explore everything about it. Its design, interior, driving feel, practicality, and why even decades later, the Transit name still carries legendary status. So let's jump into this classic utility icon. Exterior. The exterior of the 1975 Ford Transit is a pure example of functional design. There is nothing overly aggressive or decorative about it, yet that simplicity is exactly what makes it iconic. The white color body gives it a clean, professional, and slightly vintage industrial look that feels authentic to its era. The front fascia is straightforward, with a flat nose design and minimal curves, emphasizing utility over aerodynamics. The round halogen-style headlights sit neatly on both sides, offering a friendly but utilitarian face. The simple black grille design carries the classic Ford identity without unnecessary styling elements. Moving along the sides, the van features a boxy silhouette that maximizes cargo space inside. The large sliding or swing-style doors depending on variant make loading and unloading practical for businesses. Steel wheels with basic hubcaps reflect the budget-friendly and work-focused nature of the vehicle. The tall roofline ensures excellent headroom and cargo capacity, making it ideal for transporting goods or converting into mobile workshops or camper builds. At the rear, the design continues the same philosophy. Wide-opening doors allow easy access to the cargo area, and the flat rear panels make branding or commercial decals easy to apply. There is no excessive styling, no chrome overload, just pure function. Even the bumper is simple, designed more for protection than aesthetics. The overall exterior impression of the 1975 Ford Transit is rugged, honest, and built with a purpose-first mindset that has helped it survive decades in both rural and urban environments. Interior. Stepping inside the white interior of the 1975 Ford Transit feels like entering a completely different world compared to modern vehicles. This is a cabin designed purely for function, not comfort luxury. The white interior theme, often seen in restored or customized versions, gives the van a surprisingly clean and airy feeling despite its utilitarian roots. The dashboard is extremely simple, featuring basic analog gauges that display speed, fuel level, and essential engine information. There is no touchscreen, no digital cluster, and no advanced driver assistance systems. Everything is mechanical, direct, and easy to understand. The steering wheel is large and thin, giving the driver more leverage, especially useful when maneuvering at low speeds or carrying heavy loads. Seats are typically vinyl or basic fabric, designed for durability rather than softness. In a white interior setup, the seats often match the light tone of the cabin, making the space feel slightly more modern in restored versions. However, original models focused more on easy cleaning and long-term resistance to wear and tear rather than aesthetics. The seating position is upright, giving the driver a commanding view of the road, which is essential for a large van of this era. Storage options inside are minimal but practical. You may find small compartments for documents, tools, or basic items. The floor is flat and durable, often made of hard-wearing rubber or metal, built to handle heavy cargo usage. Noise insulation is quite basic, meaning engine and road sounds are clearly noticeable inside the cabin. However, this raw driving experience is part of the charm for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage vehicles. The white interior, especially in restored models, adds a unique visual appeal that contrasts with the rugged nature of the van. It creates a blend of simplicity and classic style that feels both nostalgic and refreshing. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 1975 Ford Transit is not about speed or high-end acceleration. Instead, it is built for reliability, torque delivery, and consistent utility use. Depending on the configuration and market, This van came with a range of petrol and diesel engines, typically inline-4 units that prioritized durability over power output. The driving experience is slow but steady. Acceleration is modest, and the van takes its time to reach higher speeds. However, what it lacks in speed, it makes up for in endurance. The engine is known for being extremely tough, capable of handling long working hours and heavy loads without major issues when properly maintained. The manual transmission system gives the driver full control over gear shifts, which is especially useful when carrying cargo or driving on uneven terrain. Steering is heavy compared to modern vans, but it provides a mechanical connection that enthusiasts appreciate. Suspension is basic but strong enough to handle rough roads and heavy weight distribution. On highways, the 1975 Transit feels stable but not fast. It is more comfortable at moderate speeds, where the engine can maintain a steady rhythm. In city driving, it performs adequately, though parking and tight turns require effort due to its size and steering setup. Fuel efficiency is not its strongest point by modern standards, but for its time, it was considered acceptable for a commercial vehicle. The real strength of this van lies in its ability to keep running even under harsh conditions. Many units from the 70s are still operational today, which speaks volumes about Ford's engineering approach during that era. Overall, the performance of the 1975 Ford Transit should be judged not by modern expectations, but by its purpose, a dependable, long-lasting work vehicle that can handle real-world demands without excessive complexity. Prices and verdict. Today, the price of a 1975 Ford Transit varies greatly depending on condition, restoration level, originality, and location. Fully restored models with clean interiors and refreshed engines can command significantly higher prices in the classic vehicle market. On the other hand, unrestored or project condition units are more affordable but require investment in repairs and restoration. In many cases, collectors value this van not just as a vehicle, but as a piece of automotive history. It represents a time when vehicles were built with straightforward engineering and long-term usability in mind. The white color variants, especially well-maintained ones, are often more visually appealing and easier to market for restoration enthusiasts or vintage commercial displays. From a collector's point of view, the Ford Transit has become increasingly respected. While it may not carry the same prestige as classic sports cars, its cultural and industrial importance makes it a valuable addition to any vintage vehicle collection. For businesses or creators looking for a retro-themed project vehicle, it also offers huge customization potential. The verdict is simple: the 1975 Ford Transit is not about luxury or speed. It is about durability, heritage, and functional design. It is a van that tells a story of hard work and reliability. Even today, it continues to attract attention wherever it goes, especially when restored in clean finishes like white that highlight its timeless shape. To wrap it up, the 1975 Ford Transit stands as one of the most iconic vans in automotive history. Its white exterior and interior variations bring out a unique blend of simplicity and classic charm, while its rugged engineering ensures it remains respected even decades later. Whether you are a collector, a vintage vehicle enthusiast, or someone who appreciates old-school automotive design, this van offers something truly special. It is a reminder that great vehicles do not always need advanced technology or aggressive styling. Sometimes, all they need is purpose, strength, and honest design. If you enjoyed this review back in time with the 1975 Ford Transit, hit the like button and subscribe for more vintage machine reviews.